What's up, guys? This is Salary Vlogs. We are dirt roading.
A little adventure today. It's Miss Mallory's birthday. The big 2-4.
Don't tell everybody.
Yeah, she's getting up there, guys. She is getting up there.
I'm older than him now, so I don't know where we're going, and he's driving, and all I know is that he's like, watch for 11-kilometer sign, and we hit a 17-kilometer sign, but apparently that's the wrong way altogether.
That was the road we turned off.
So now we're going down a different road, apparently.
So she has no idea. Neither do I, but like I know the basics here.
All right.
But yeah, so little birthday surprise, little hike possibly.
Oh.
We'll see.
Perfect.
Yeah. So wish her a happy birthday in the comments. And yeah, we'll update you in a bit.
All right. So we are in the middle of absolutely nowhere, and we know where we're going because there's little, if you can see, little flags. We drove past it and had to turn around, but
Hey!
he's coming. He's got a knife, so he's gonna save me from the bears.
You never know. You just never know.
Yeah, so we'll see how this goes.
Let's go, boys. Let's see how she goes here. The pink ribbon and the orange ribbon is the dead giveaway. You can see it. It's right here. I'll show you.
Okay, hang on. I can't turn this around. Hang on, there he is.
Kilometer 11.
Kilometer 11.
Couldn't be more clear.
Okay, I gotta jump this puddle, so BRB.
Okay. Why help her when I can watch her face plant in the creek?
I'm just kidding. Watch me sink in the mud.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I hope you brought a change of clothing.
How did you get across?
Well, I'm freaking 6'3". It's pretty easy for me. Nice. High five.
Nailed it.
Here we go.
Update. We're about, how many meters in here?
Probably 800.
I told him to text his mom in case you don't come back. Because it's...
Make it to dinner. Come look. We're at 11 kilometers.
It's quite woodsy in here, right in bear country, so...
This is nice. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Turn the old GPS on and call her good.
Call her good.
Hey, I'm wearing the shirt. Hawaii shirt.
I wish we were in Hawaii.
When we went to... Parasailing? Is that what it's called?
Yep.
Yeah, when you're in the big hot air balloon, that's not a hot air balloon. It's pretty awesome.
Yep.
I recommend it. Do
Yep.
it up.
All right, en route.
Woo! See that, Kim Pearson?
Update.
I think it could be lynx.
I don't know.
Whatever, let's get her going.
Dylan's like, don't be scared. It's fine. Just out in the wilderness.
Got my handy dandy knife. What could go wrong?
Yeah, what could go wrong?
But remember, you gotta knock on wood.
Oh my god. Okay, well, we'll continue on our merry way.
What are you doing?
Got myself a stick.
Who got you that stick?
You did.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it to hit the bears away.
Baseball player. Climbing in elevation.
I almost fell.
Yeah, don't fall. Look at these trees too. Some big boys. I think it's starting to rain. Just barely starting. Let's see if I fall going through the snow. Yep. It's not too bad. I got hikers on though. Mal doesn't. Oh, it's hailing, I think.
Oh, weird.
Whatever.
What's up?
Do you feel another year older?
Yeah, this is getting really difficult. I'm just kidding. No, I'm feeling good. Feeling good.
So here I am. Beautiful day here in British Columbia. Yeah. May 3rd.
Right,
We got hail. It's okay. Check out the view. Me and then the trees behind me. It's awesome. Way uphill, but
Let's see my hair. Oh yeah, that's a look. That's a look.
it's looking good. I'd marry that. What do you hear?
A waterfall!
Oh yeah. I don't know.
There's waterfalls here?
I don't know if you guys can hear it down the hill there, but I'd say we're getting close to our destination.
Wow.
Surprise.
This is impressive.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good little birthday hike.
Yeah.
I'll take that. I'll take it.
I like it.
Update you in a couple here. I hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it down there. Follow the pink ribbon. It's good to explore, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. We're getting close. We're getting close. Here we go.
All right,
We're
straight
dropping
down. Doesn't probably look very steep, but it's freaking steep. And he doesn't, no problem. Here I am gonna like slide on my butt. Look at him, Tarzan down there.
Let's go, boys.
Yeah, and then slow and steady here wins the race over here. You can hear the waterfall. Where did you go? I'm just way too slow, I think. Ugh. Oh yeah, he's way over there. Peekaboo!
I don't know.
All right,
Did you see it through there? Through that little gap?
little bit.
Okay. Look at down this hill here. Check that out. That's steep. I'm gonna go down this way, I think.
It doesn't look very steep, but it sure as heck is. Look at him.
At least if I fall, it's not steep.
Ugh.
There we go. I'll wait here for you.
Alrighty.
So that I can catch you.
Okay.
Okay, babe. I'm ready for you.
Yeah, this is a little dangerous.
It's definitely steep. So watch the footing.
Of course, when you get me on video, I'm just gonna freaking go fall.
Yeah, I'll try to catch you. I'll drop my camera if I gotta.
Wow, what a sacrifice.
Yeah. That's a good fiance if I ever.
If you ever had one?
Yeah. Okay, you can keep going.
Alright.
Take her easy though. I don't want you to fall. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm grabbing the water bottle. Coming behind you. That's cool. I don't know if we can see it through there or not. A little bit treed in. Whew. I wish the video would do justice, because even looking at it right now, it's like not even bad at all. But okay. Oh, cool. You can see some more through there. This is awesome. I see a trail going this way too. We can go that way.
Shoot up the video of that trail. What? Does it even do it justice?
No, but it's up there. Like, this is my phone straight across, and that's on like a 45 going up.
We're gonna have to speak louder so they're not gonna be able to hear us.
That's cool! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at this. Little hidden treasure. That's awesome. I don't know about this though. It's not that awesome. So cool. I'll go around to the point there and get a better video for you.
Okay, not fall that way, please, because that's scary.
I can swim. This is like straight down.
What is happening?
Straight down.
Do not go any further. Oh my gosh, look at this. Waterfall. straight down.
That's insane. Goodness, you can see the whole valley. That's so cool. You probably can't even hear what I'm saying from the water.
Probably not, but
Check that out. Look how fast that's coming out right there. And right here, you just got, holy.
wow.
That's
On top
wild,
of the
eh?
world.
That's wild. Hold my phone really good here. Check that out. Just coming through. Dropping down into there. I don't even want to get any closer. Look at this. Straight down there. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's pretty sick. So yeah, my shoes are waterproof, and I stepped in the moss and sunk up to my ankle. So I didn't really get wet. And I was like, no, don't do it. She freaking was already halfway in the air.
Yeah.
Soak her.
Not my proudest moment.
Soak her. Yikes. But we're probably 3/4 of the way down, so
Oh yeah, I love the sound.
it's a good hike.
Squish.
Well,
We just finished the hike, guys.
it was good. We liked it.
Yeah.
I got a bug on my leg, but
It is so sunny now.
oh, it's a beautiful day now.
Yeah.
Well, there's the trail.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Well, thanks for watching our little adventure today.
Yeah, don't forget to like
Comment.
and subscribe.
We will see you in the next one.
It's her birthday. Come on, subscribe.
Oh.
Let's get up to 200.
Yeah, it'd be sweet.
It's the best
My
birthday
only
gift.
birthday wish.
200. Let's go.